I'm Larry King, and this is In View. Economic stability is focused on finding local solutions to create opportunities for prosperity. We will explore the ways some states, cities, business leaders, and communities are taking the future into their own hands.
When you think of community banking, New York City may not be the first place to come to mind. But the work of community banks in the metro New York area illustrates a defining characteristic of this banking sector. Community banking is about a philosophy and an approach to doing business, not about the size or location of the market served. In communities nationwide, these banks are dedicated to meeting the needs of residents and local businesses.
Our mission when we first opened this bank as a community bank was to go out and know the community, do the lending, have them have trust in us that we were here to support them in whatever endeavors they wanted to do. But the main thing was when people walked through that branch, there was no reason not to know somebody's first name. And that's something we're proud that we can do, is our customers walk through that door, we know their first name, we know their lives, we know what their family does, and we know what their banking needs are, most important, right? We are a bank.
Community banks have a strong connection to the neighborhoods they serve and provide personalized service to customers. ALMA Bank, for example, is a community bank with 13 branches in New York and New Jersey. ALMA Bank has made high-quality service the mission of its relationship managers and bankers. The company staffs its branches with experienced bankers who can deliver personalized banking solutions to customers based on their individual needs. The goal is to provide customers with a choice of products and services that will add value to their personal and business banking.
Relationship managers are seasoned bankers. The value that they add the larger banks do not have is the personalization, the person-to-person. We develop long-lasting, trusting relationships with our customers. They don't have to think or worry about their banking. We do their banking for them. That's our job. Their job is to take care of their businesses.
Building relationships with customers is a driving force for many community banks. The business philosophy at ALMA Bank is anchored in people, not processes. ALMA's associates take the time to listen to customers and understand their needs. Relationship managers then assemble the right combination of banking services for each client. The focus on people also means ALMA can look beyond the numbers in its lending decisions to consider the nature of a business and intangible factors such as the integrity and work ethic of its principals.
We live and we work in the community that these businesses are in. Therefore, they have a trust in us that they don't have with larger organizations. I believe that's our strong point. I believe our customers come to us because they feel comfortable, they feel that they trust us, and they feel a sense of care. We care about them. And we always tell them, if you need anything, just talk to us. We're here to listen.
Even as they focus on relationships, community banks can deliver online and mobile banking capabilities that rival those of larger banks.
Our focus has been to move into the electronic banking arena because we feel that that's the focus and that's the direction everything is headed. And we've built in a tremendous amount of security into our infrastructure to ensure that we don't face any issues with some type of a breach which would cause our customers serious issues and of course cause us serious issues going forward.
Even in a large market, community banks have a local focus. They work to understand and meet the needs of their surrounding neighbors. Their service-oriented approach to business not only supports customers, but helps to strengthen the community as well.
Very few businesses are privately owned anymore in their own name as they used to be in the past, like mom and pop stores. Everything is more or less a corporation or an LLC these days. But we see behind that there is actually a family, a person, an individual. And this is how we treat our customers. We look beyond the corporate facade and deal with individuals on a one-to-one basis. On a relationship basis, we get to know them, they get to know us. And as a community bank, this is what we have to really offer, and this is the only advantage that we have.
To learn more about ALMA Bank, visit the company's website at www.almabank.com. or call 718-267-ALMA.